Good morning, students. I welcome all of you for this current academic year 2020-21. So, I hope all of you are healthy and safe at your home. So, as you know that due to this current pandemic situation, we are going to start the online teaching. So, I hope all of you are going to be comfortable with this online teaching platform. So, as a class coordinator, I request all of you to go through all the videos before the lecture, and accordingly you have to attempt the quiz assigned for that particular lectures. So, here I am going to taught you the subject automobile engineering, which is a elective professional elective subject for this semester, means B part first. So the first let you know the teaching scheme. So teaching scheme, there is a lectures 3 hours per week, practical 2 hours per week, examination scheme ESE, external semester evaluation 70 marks, ISE, in semester evaluation 30 marks, ICA 25 marks, and oral examination is there 25 marks. So in this online platform, in first 1.5 months, we are going to give you only the lectures. Regarding the practicals, we are going to conduct the practicals by the virtual platform. So let's start with this subject automobile engineering. First we'll know about the course introduction. So as you know that there is all-round development in the field of design and manufacture of automobile. This has resulted in vast improvement in their efficiency, comfort and safety. There is consequential tremendous increase in production and use of automobiles worldwide. This has opened the job opportunities for the mechanical engineers in automobile sector. So course prerequisite, what you are going to be expect from your side to learn this subject. First, knowledge of elementary mathematics, basic knowledge of various core subjects like theory of machine, manufacturing process, design engineering, fluid mechanics, electrical engineering, engineering materials. Course objectives. So during this course, a student is expected to first study the basic principles of actual automobile systems. Second, student study important system in an automobile. He is going to identify the important system in an automobile. Third, student should study recent and modern trends in automobile sector. Students to make the student conversant with automobile safety and electrical system. Last, to make students aware about the entrepreneurial opportunities in automobile engineering field. So these are the course objectives for the automobile engineering. And course outcomes. At the end of this course, students will able to first demonstrate and explain various systems in automobile, describe importance and features of different elements like axle, differential, brakes, steering, suspension, wheel balancing, etc. Third, explain principle of operation, construction and application of various sensors used in modern automobile and understand electrical vehicles, hybrid vehicles, solar vehicles, like these are the modern trends in automobile. So these are the course objectives and accordingly these are the course outcomes for this subject. Next, career prospectus. So what you are going to be get benefit from learning this subject, how it will be important for your career, how it will be prospectus for your career. So as you know that globally India is the 7th largest automobile producer with average annual production of 17.5 million motor vehicles and contributes 7% of country's GDP by volume and the 4th largest automotive market by mass. Industry leaders also predict a sale of more than 6 million vehicles by 2020. India undoubtedly being a prospective automobile market, career opportunities in sector is significantly high. Now, current Modi government, the Automotive Mission Plan (AMP) second is in between 2016 to 26 gives the further scope for opportunities in the field. Skilled resources with ingenious ideas for conceptualizing more advanced machine can make it big here. So mechanical engineering students have options for mainstream jobs which include designing, developing, implementing, testing, evaluating equipment and machines. Students with specialization in automobile manufacturing will be the preferred by the automobile companies who dominate the recruitment scene in the field of mechanical engineering. So as you know that there are so many automobile hubs in India. For example, in our Maharashtra, Pune, Aurangabad is the automobile hub is there. So many automobile manufacturing companies are there in Pune and Aurangabad. Similarly, in Gurgaon, Noida, there is also so many automobile manufacturers companies are there. According there are so many vendors are there. In South, Karnataka, Hosur, then Chennai, these are the automobile hubs are there. In Gujarat as well as in Rajasthan, there are automobile hubs are going to be created in coming days. So likewise, there are career prospectus is better for the mechanical engineering students by learning this subject. Now, the syllabus. The syllabus for this automobile engineering is in section 1 and 2. Total 8 units are there, 8 chapters are there that we are going to learn one by one. So in section 1 there are 4 chapters. First chapter, that is unit 1, introduction to automobiles. So the introduction in automobiles, the content is like classification of automobiles, major automobile components and their functions, types of vehicle layouts, front engine rear wheel drive, front engine front wheel drive, rear engine rear wheel drive, four wheel drive, all wheel drive, types of automobile bodies and body construction materials. These are the different contents we are going to be study in the chapter number first or unit number 1. Now in unit number 2, second, that is the performance of automobiles. It's a numerical based chapter unit. So the content for this chapter is resistance to the vehicle motion. For example, air resistance, rolling resistance, gradient resistance. Then we have to go into the performance, road performance like acceleration, gradability, drawbar pull, then traction, tractive effort, power required for the vehicle propulsion. On the basis of this, all these content, the numericals are to be there that we are going to be study. Next, chapter number 3, transmission system. It is very important chapter. It is having the more contents. So in this transmission system, we are going to study the necessity of transmission system. Then in transmission system, there are so many parts are there like clutch, the automobile clutch, requirements of clutch, types and functions of clutch, which are the different types like single plate, multi plate, centrifugal clutch, electromagnetic clutch, fluid flywheel. Likewise, we are going to study such type of clutch. Then type of the automobile gearboxes. Then need of the gearbox. Why gearbox is to be needed. Then different types of gearbox like sliding mesh gearbox, constant mesh gearbox, synchro mesh gearbox. Then overdrive. Principle of operation of automatic transmission system. Currently it is used in all that vehicles, luxury vehicles. Torque converter. Then propeller shaft, universal and slip joint, final drive and its types, differential, construction and type of rear axles, and introduction to wheels and tires. So these are the units we are going to study in the unit number 3, that is the transmission system. Next, unit number 4, automobile electricals. So in this automobile electricals, we are going to study different electrical systems that is to be used in the vehicle. So likewise, battery is there, automobile batteries, the construction and working of these batteries, lead acid battery, then lighting system, headlight, tail light, direction indicator lights, electric horn, fuel gauges, then wiper, speedometer. Likewise, we are going to study in this automobile electricals. So, such a contents that will be included in the section number 1. Now, in section number 2, the unit number 5, steering system, that is the control system of the vehicle. So, in again steering system, we are now going to study the objective of steering system, function of steering system, layout of the steering system, steering mechanisms are there. Already you are studied in theory of machine, Ackermann, Davis type steering mechanism, types of the steering gearboxes, condition for true rolling, geometry of the steering, like different angles are to be provided like camber, caster, toe in, toe out, correct. Then wheel alignment, what is wheel alignment, how wheel alignment is conducted, wheel balancing is there, need of the wheel alignment, wheel balancing, then the power steering, correct. So that we are going to be studied in the steering system, that is the control system. Again unit 6, braking system, that is again the control system. Again in this chapter we are going to study requirements and function of automotive brake system, classification of brakes, drum and disc brake, hydraulic and air brake, power brakes, anti-lock brake system, that is ABS, calculation of braking force required, stopping distance, dynamic weight transfer. Accordingly, there are numericals are there. So the numericals are to be there in this chapter. Next, suspension system. So in the suspension system, again we are going to study the requirements of suspension system, objectives of suspension system, what is the sprung mass, unsprung mass, types of automotive suspension system, conventional suspension system, independent suspension system, different types of springs to be used in the suspension system, leaf spring, coil spring, what is the shock absorber, correct, reaction members like radius bar, stabilizer bar, anti-roll bar, air suspension system, and lastly the rear axle drive system like Hotchkiss drive and torque tube drive. Last chapter, that is the modern trains in automobile. So students will going to prepare the report about this recent trends or modern trends automobile by visiting the different company sites, and by that we are going to collect the information. So in this modern trends we are going to study the engine electronic control modules, introduction to sensor actuators used in the automobile controls, hybrid vehicles, electrical vehicle layouts, solar vehicles, safety devices, fuel cells, correct. That to be we are going to be conduct in this chapter. So the student can easily got the modern trends or recent trend information from visiting the different sites of the automobile manufacturers. Getting so all these units we are going to be study one by one in this our all these online lectures. So I hope we are going to be engage all these lectures as per the timetable, and accordingly we are going to be interact during the Google Meet session regarding your doubts or any your problems we are going to be solved in the interactive session.